Okay, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. So this is another day. Yesterday just put it back the timing and finished tied this one. Right now I didn't make to how the assembly for everything because actually just simple, it's probably if you want to do that you can remember how to put back the injectors, spark plugs, blah blah blah, valve cover, put it on the intake, put it on the turbo. And so I didn't make I hope it's tomorrow this engine the first start. So let's go and do that. I just make here a cut, put it back together, everything, put it in the engine, and let's see. Okay. There we go, guys. Take me approximately 7 hours to reassemble the whole engine, put it in everything. The turbo, it's nothing really sucks, you take it out and put it back. It's easy. Try to use the much as possible the new seals everywhere. So this one ready to go in to the car. Here is the fresh oil and try to crank, but it's tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Go subscribe. Finger cross. There you go. The engine is back. So just need hook it up. Whew. Just put it back the bolts all over and engine mount bolt, and after we will tie to the crankshaft center bolt. Be right back. Okay, so here we are. We need to tie this one. Remember 500 Newton meter. That is a lot. So I want to show you something. The lock pin, it's somewhere over there down. I don't know, you can see. Yeah, there is a lock pin. So here is a breaker bar. Here is an extension. Okay, so we cannot measure the 500 Newton meter because we don't have that kind of tool, It's impossible. But we can do the locker pin is still on in a flywheel. So just grab it and start. I just say start pulling like a motherfucker. That is probably approximately 500 Newton meter. So let's go do that. That's it, approximately 500 Newton meter. That's it, don't need more. When you freaking tired, you feel it, that is a lot. No awareness, you cannot break it, that freaking bolt. Okay, and also don't use any Loctite or anything else. Just power, rock your body. Let's go, start putting back the rest, connected all the wires, and but it's not today. Probably tomorrow is the first start. Finger crossed. So here we go. This is the other day. Let's see. Almost we're done. Need to put it in a fresh oil, some coolant, and the first test start. Where we go. Because give me a little headache. We find that the one broken connectors and broken intake hose. So BMW. Let's go. Put some oil in it. Exactly 5 quart, and doesn't matter what brand right now we use, just 530 full synthetic, because either way just a couple hours run, or we hope it's a couple 100 miles, we change it again, because it's a brand new build. Okay, oil in. Put in some coolant. I just saved the old coolant because the BMW special coolant is so expensive. So okay. So almost we will start, but first, because it's very hard to find the fuel pump relay on this side, on the back seat. You need to get the back to the back seat. So I removed the injector connectors, all of them. I don't want to first start. I just want to start it's cranking a little bit. Everything's cranking fine, no weird noises, and also the oil pressure is started. So, and after, put it back all the connectors and try to start the engine. Let's go do that. Finger crossed. Right, I put it back the battery cable. That's right now it's everything coming up the malfunction because it's a battery which was off. So okay, let's go try to do some. Hey, double check it's a neutral or parking, wherever. Transmission malfunction, didn't want to crank. So the first computer job again. So we need to try to figure out what's going on. Okay, we find that the bad ground cable, there was a forget to put it on with the jungle. So test number 2, don't forget to just crank, build up some oil pressure, no start, so the injector cables is still off. Spinning. So check here. Yeah, this has some oil. So put it back the injector cables. You want to start? Finger across, guys. Finger across. I'm a fucking god! I'm a king. I'm a king. Magami. Next one. So, I learned a lot of new stuff on the brand new technologies. These engines was produced for 2011 to 2017 something. So I learned a lot of new stuff. That's why all the true mechanic cannot say knows everything, because this engineering and technology is always change, so you need to keep learning everything. I fixed this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, I put it back together. Everything ready to go, man. Ready to go. Have some little damage on the car here. We don't want to fix it. Have some little damage here on the side. This one somebody do it. I'm not a good body worker guy. That's it. The car is good. So my friend we were driving on this weekend. Let's see how we came back Monday. See you guys. This is a BMW last part. I finished this project. So something new coming in the future. See you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on the Facebook and Instagram. I don't forget, I make the other video to the Mercedes CLK, the stick shift. It's already run, so that one is drive available also. So keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. Okay, peace.